Meet the latest member of the FIXAR family, the FIXAR O25. FIXAR O25 is an autonomous, fully electric drone designed to handle large-scale and long-range missions for commercial applications as well as delivery missions. The unique full-body lift design ensures the most efficient energy consumption and endurance. FIXAR O25 is equipped with several safety features that provide stress-free and fully autonomous flights at every stage of the mission. Due to an increased flight time and range, FIXAR O25 can deliver more results in fewer flights. This unlocks the possibility of serving different industries long waiting to give wings to their operations. These include first response for search and rescue and medical aid delivery missions, surveillance and monitoring, as well as long-range asset inspections, and also large-scale mapping and surveying tasks. With FIXAR O25, the possibilities are endless. To learn more about FIXAR O25's solution, visit our website, fixar.pro. Safe flights.